Hey everyone! Have you ever seen someone walking barefoot over hot coals and wondered how on earth they do it? Is it some kind of magic or ancient ritual? Today we're uncovering the fascinating physics behind firewalking and answering the question, is it science or superstition? Stick around until the end because we'll reveal the most surprising fact about firewalking that will blow your mind. First off, let's address the obvious. Firewalking looks incredibly dangerous. The coals can reach temperatures of up to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. So how do people manage to walk across them without getting severe burns? The answer lies in the physics of heat transfer. When we talk about heat transfer, we're looking at three main methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. In firewalking, conduction is the key player. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. The coals are hot, but here's the trick. Wood, which coals are made from, is actually a poor conductor of heat. This means that the heat doesn't transfer to your feet as quickly as you might think. But that's not all. The way you walk also makes a huge difference. When firewalkers step onto the coals, they don't stand still. They keep moving. By minimizing the time their feet are in contact with the hot surface, they reduce the amount of heat transferred. It's a bit like quickly passing your hand through a flame. You'll feel the heat, but you won't get burned if you move fast enough. Now let's talk about the ash. After wood burns, it leaves behind ash, which acts as an insulating layer. This layer further reduces the heat that reaches your feet. So when you see someone walking on hot coals, they're not stepping directly on glowing embers. They're often walking on a thin layer of insulating ash. Still with me? Great, because here's where it gets even more interesting. Your skin also plays a role in firewalking. The outer layer of your skin, the stratum corneum, is made up of dead skin cells. This layer provides a bit of natural insulation. Plus, your feet might sweat, creating a tiny layer of moisture that can help cool the surface slightly through evaporation. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the concept of thermal conductivity. Different materials transfer heat at different rates. For instance, metal has high thermal conductivity, meaning it transfers heat very efficiently. Wood, on the other hand, has low thermal conductivity. So even though the coals are extremely hot, their low thermal conductivity means they don't transfer heat to your feet quickly enough to cause burns, provided you keep moving. Now, what about the psychological aspect of firewalking? This is where things get really fascinating. Many firewalkers participate in these events as part of a ritual or group activity, often in a highly supportive and energetic environment. This positive psychological state can influence pain perception. When you're pumped up, focused, and surrounded by encouraging people, your brain can downplay the pain signals from your feet. It's a combination of adrenaline and mental focus that helps firewalkers stay cool under pressure. Literally. But don't be fooled. Firewalking isn't without risks. If you don't walk fast enough, if the coals are too hot, or if the ash layer isn't thick enough, burns can and do happen. It's all about understanding the physics and being mindful of the conditions. So why do people do it? For many, firewalking is a test of courage and faith. It's about overcoming fear and pushing the limits of what you believe is possible. The act itself can be a powerful metaphor for facing challenges and coming out unscathed. It's a mind-over-matter experience that leaves a lasting impression. All right, time for the big reveal, the most surprising fact about firewalking. Are you ready? Here it is. Despite how dangerous it looks, firewalking has been practiced safely by many cultures around the world for thousands of years. From ancient Hindu rituals to modern motivational events, the tradition of firewalking spans continents and centuries. It's a testament to the incredible ways humans can harness the power of physics and psychology to achieve the seemingly impossible. So the next time you see someone firewalking, you'll know the science behind it. It's not magic or supernatural power. It's a fascinating interplay of physics, psychology, and a bit of human determination. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the physics of firewalking, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future weird science explorations. Until next time, stay curious.